today we're firing the defenders from the 374 Security Forces Squadron for qualification on the 240 Bravo and the 249.
Instead of an F and an S for safe, you've got the color.
The purpose is for initial and recurring firing for these defenders. Some came straight out of tech school and did not get to utilize this weapon system, so they came to their first base, which would be here at Yokota, to qualify on this weapon system for base defense or pre-deployment training. So we provide outside training here at Camp Fuji because it's more realistic. They can actually see key terrain and actually fire at more of a distance than on an indoor range where it's limited. The most challenging thing for coming out here to Camp Fuji is it's actually owned and operated by the Marine Corps, so we have to plan and schedule through them. The defenders had a helo ride from Yokota out here to the range. Then once they came to the range, they set up, prepared, and started doing live fire.
So with a 240 Bravo, we have our primary barrel and we have our secondary.
Squirrel! Yeah, deer!
They had fun going to the helo ride to this range because it's not usually something that happens. Usually they drive up here, but for the helicopters to drop over here and drop them off while conducting live fire at the same time, it was pretty interesting. I feel pretty good. I'm honestly excited to be out here. It's nice weather, so we're gonna go ahead and shoot off these rounds and have a great time.